Welcome to Factiology, where hidden truths become apparent. We were promised that AI would assist us. Making life simpler, smarter, and quicker. But the vital question remains unanswered. Who truly holds the power now? In 2025, AI has evolved beyond a mere tool. It's subtly taking over jobs, crafting school essays, monitoring your face at airports, and determining who is approved for loans, and who is not. AI recognizes your voice. It completes your thoughts. It understands your anxieties quicker than your therapist, and it never forgets. Corporations are providing it with data. Governments rely on it for surveillance. And you contribute constantly, through your phone, actions, and dialogues. However, here's something they won't reveal. AI does not think like humans. It has no regard for ethics. It merely executes code created by individuals, who are incentivized not to question. The future will not be filled with robotic soldiers. It'll be algorithms shaping our reality. And you're the commodity. So when they claim AI is just technology, remember, even the most perilous things in history began with noble intentions. If this has caused you to reconsider what you ask Alexa, like, share, and subscribe.